Hello, Brian here from quantlabs.net, maker of this Trade Like a Boss DVD. It's a real DVD. It can be shipped to you for $10 plus shipping cost. Learn how to do algo trading with that on the cheap side. All right, so not only that, but I also got a couple of books you could check out over here, like that at quantlabs.net/book. Get them while they're there. Now let's get into the fun stuff of crypto. Strange things have been happening last week with Davos. Very strange. Trump wants to go negative interest rate. I think that's suicide to go negative with interest rates. Screw the grandmas and their savings. That's basically what he's saying. It's maddening for this person to say that as a president of the US. So if that's the case, we will have to look at safety havens. Right now it's Japanese yen, gold. I just saw an interview with Martin Armstrong. Wherever you go with any form of gold and transferring it over for borders, the Europeans want to know about it. You will not be able to hide your gold from anybody. They'll come after it on a tax side. Don't you worry. They'll find their ways. Let's go to crypto. So crypto is one of those weird asset classes that enable you to kind of hide out, but it's also registered as well. But let's check out what's been happening with crypto, namely in the US dollar space. So right now, why don't we just look at what's been performing quite nicely. See if I can find it here. Okay, so let's first look at the majors. These are your cryptos, coins, and they're up huge. Okay, so we got Bitcoin Cash up. I just did CFDs and Forex. Look at this, 8%. That's massive. Like, seriously. Why do people poo-poo this stuff? I really don't know. That's a massive move. 8% right there. Or sorry, 4%, 4.7%. Tron up 2.3%. Litecoin up 2.6%. Bitcoin in BTC's up 4.58%. EOS Bitcoin 7.43. These are big moves, some of them. ICX. Okay, well, let's check out the ones that we did pick out last week. First one we looked at was EOS. That one's done well. That's a daily chart as well. You see that spike up and then this move up here. I think this proves right here what I'm just showing you right now. These big moves are because of the markets are tanking. And the question is crypto a safe haven now? Despite with all the bizarre talk from central banks, all the bizarre talk from all these leaders, crypto is now quite evident to me is the new safe haven. How do you play it? That's the question. So you can see these big moves here just on an hourly basis, 24-hour basis, as we're just looking at the very first one. That's a pretty nice chart, daily chart. If you look at, I like to look at the 15-minute chart. There you go. It's up. It's done well. Let's look at LSK, BTC. This one, okay, I'm going to get rid of. Another one that we picked, Dash, BTC. So that is a 15-minute chart. Let's look at the daily. Do I need to say any more? You're going from 600 all the way up to 1,600. That's more than 3 times return. 3 times. Fucking 3 times. 3 times. Look at that. Look at that. Pow. How do you miss that? Zcash is another one we've been talking about. Still fairly strong. Like, unreal. And those are the ones we've been looking at. Waves has gone flat. I'm going to keep that in the chart. But let's start looking at okay, so we have the EOS, that's the crypto space. Let's start looking at the USD space in crypto. No, we want watch list. So we want a watch list. So we want that. Crypto and US dollar. Okay, so there you go. Not as strong as in the crypto to crypto, but EOS is doing strong. What I just showed you. Litecoin's doing all right, and Bitcoin Cash is doing all right, over 4%. Wave's doing okay. Zcash is doing okay. Dash is doing okay. Neo's doing all right. Stellar's doing all right. Those are your winners right there. Okay, so let's start opening these up. Or maybe better yet, I'm going to do a scan just to see which ones are the winners of the winners. All right, so let's see here. Start her up. So it's going to do about 30 plus instruments. 28. And I really like doing these scans. These are easy to set up too. Yeah, I really think for sure, crypto's becoming and will become the safe haven as the coronavirus takes hold. And if it ain't going to be that, it'll be another catalyst, maybe a Iran war, who knows? Anything. A lot of problems in the world right now. Let me know what you think. Forex is doing okay, but crypto, man, last week was just, it was up and down, but today is really good. Okay, so let's start looking at this stuff. All right. So we only have 3 excellent scores. Those are the only ones I like to look at, unless I get desperate. So here we go. 50 results. First one is XMR. I'm not a big fan of this. This is a mean reversion. This is a very mean reverting coin pair. IoT is another one. Again, that's a short, but you can't short on what I like, Binance. Ethereum against BTC looks good. So why don't we add that to the lot? All right, so we'll add this, but I don't see Ethereum performing. But usually doing these kind of scans can do well. I mean, that's how I got these winners for the world of Forex. It's done well. You can see Ethereum's doing pretty good. 50-minute chart, 1-day chart, probably not as strong as the others. I beg to differ there. That's done pretty good for this year. Pretty surprising, eh? All right, so we're gonna go back to our scan here. And that was it. That's the only one that's worthwhile. So I'll do a rundown of what we're looking at. So right now, BCH, BTC, I'm definitely going to add. BCH, BTC. I mean, that's a daily. Let's look at the daily. Wow, unreal. I mean, that started. I think we're definitely in a bottoming phase, and we're definitely picking up steam here in the crypto space. All right, so what else we got here? We had, okay, so we have BCH, Litecoin, I believe we have. Do we have Litecoin? All right, so let me see if we have Litecoin. We don't have Litecoin up there, so that's Litecoin BTC. Oh, man. These are good run-ups. Okay, not as strong. Not as strong, but that on a 15-minute level, that's not too bad. Zcash we have. I heard about this one, BTG, BTC. Bitcoin Gold against Bitcoin. Let's check that out. It's had a nice big move up there. Daily. I think this could be a big winner. I'll put that on the 15-minute. I'll definitely keep that. EOS, BTC we already got. We already covered Ethereum. Let's see some of the Neo. So Tron is another one. Let's see that. Tron, BTC. Nice big move there, but I don't know. That's a weak move. That looks natural. I don't think that looks very manipulated. See, that looks manipulated. Yeah, I don't like trading this. Maybe on an hourly basis. Let's see how that's doing. It's still, that looks pretty manipulated on those swings. I'm going to take that out. I always remember not to include that, but that is up. So we have Stellar. See how Stellar's been doing. XLM. Let's see the daily. That's not bad. It's performing. So we'll add that 15-minute. Leave it at that. What else we got here? Tron, EOS we've covered. BTG we covered. Zcoin. Do we have Zcoin? Zcash, sorry. Yeah, Zcash is there. Litecoin, Tron, BCH. Okay, let's go into the other market here of is it this one? Okay, I'm going to get rid of that. And then we are going to look at the USD market as well. So look at that one, crypto USD. So we have some winners here. EOS, Litecoin, Bitcoin Gold, BCH, Waves, Dash, Neo. We already covered them in the crypto space. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply our template here. I'll go do a rundown for those on the podcast and leave it at that. Okay, so what do we got here? We are going to do that. So that is EOS USD. Boom. Dash, man, that's a good one. Apply that. Okay, and then we'll make that chart available. So that's we don't want that on a 15-minute. All right. So I'll make that chart available. These files will be available to all you analytic members. The Zcash, I do like that. 15-minute. See, somebody was asking about these different time frames. I'm not a big fan of that chart. Let me just see how our 2 hour, 1 hour. But if you look at the 6 hour, that's not so bad with these extreme wicks. They can throw you off. So I'll make that for 6 hour in the Zcash. Boom. Waves. Again, that's a 6 hour. But you can get pops in the 15-minute, but hour, those are crazy. 6 hour. Unfortunately, there's no 4 hour available. So we'll leave that on the 6 hour. That's Waves against USD. Crypto ETC against BTC. Let's see the 15-minute. I do like that. So apply the template and make the chart, the files available. Okay. There you go. BCH, big winner there. That's 15-minute. Beautiful. Okay, make the chart or the files available for those using MotoWave. Litecoin, I wasn't too happy about this daily chart. I do know that. I don't expect this to do all that well, but I'll give it an opportunity. And lastly, two more. BTG Gold. The daily, man, that's a big move there. Yeah, I'll give that an opportunity. BT Gold, I did miss out on that, unfortunately. Let's see, back chart, save to, boom. And one last, which was Stellar XLM BTC 50-minute. And we will apply that template. And then lastly, this guy. Boom, there you go. So those are all available again. So if you want to know more about the DVD, let me show it to you right here on the DVD, right there. Treat Like a Boss, the DVD, as well as our books. You can get those over at quantlabs.net. Book, as well as DVD at quantlabs.net/DVD. Any questions? If not, I shall talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.